Hey, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to configure the delivery quantity for your products in Key Manager so you have full control over exactly how many keys your customers receive per order. Whether you want to deliver a fixed number of keys or match the keys to whatever quantity the customer orders, I've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Step 1, head over to your products section and open the product you want to edit by clicking Edit. Once you're inside the product editor, scroll down until you see the product data panel. From there, click on the Key Manager tab. Now look for the delivery quantity field. That's exactly where the magic happens. Now for step 2, setting your delivery quantity. By default, this field is set to 1, meaning every order item will deliver 1 key. But if you want to deliver more keys per item, just type in your desired number. For example, enter 2, and every order item will deliver 2 keys. Order 5 items, get 10 keys. It's that straightforward. Once you've entered your number, you're good to move on. All right, step 3, once you've made your selection, hit the update button to save your changes. And here's a pro tip. Don't just save and walk away. Place a quick test order for this product and verify that the correct number of keys is being delivered. This takes 30 seconds and can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And that's it. You've successfully configured the delivery quantity for your product. It's a small setting, but it makes a huge difference in how your customers receive their key.